I put you in fridge, Carrie Underwood, ha 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 ha.
No 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 Caillou, don't put me in fridge.
That's too bad. Yes, I put Carrie Underwood in fridge. Let's gets out before gets caught.
I go make coffee now. Oh no, Carrie Underwood in fridge, how you in fridge? Oh okay, I gets you out fridge, I call Caillou parents.
Thank you for save me.
You're welcome, I gets you nice warms blankets. Caillou, how dare you put Carrie Underwood in fridge, that's it, you grounded 123,445,778,765,465,433 years, go your room right now.
Wah.
I makes you soup. I'm sorry for Caillou put you in fridge.
Thank you mom, you are best.
You're welcome.
Yummy soup.